Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Acura MDX headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a plastic trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Confirm you have the exact replacement headlight assembly for your specific Acura MDX model before starting the process. Having everything ready will make the job much smoother and more efficient. Now let's get to accessing the headlight. You'll need to carefully remove the front bumper cover. This involves detaching several clips and screws located around the wheel wells and under the bumper. Be gentle to avoid damaging the paint or plastic. As you pull the bumper away, disconnect any wiring harnesses for fog lights or sensors. Finally, loosen the fender liner on the side you're working on. This provides crucial access to the headlight mounting bolts. With the bumper and fender liner out of the way, you can now unbolt the old headlight assembly. There are typically 3 to 4 bolts holding it in place, often accessible from the top and side. Once unbolted, carefully pull the assembly out and disconnect all electrical connectors from the rear. Now, take your new headlight assembly, connect all the electrical plugs and position it back into place. Secure it firmly with the bolts you removed earlier, ensuring a snug fit. After the new headlight is installed, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reattach the fender liner and then the front bumper cover, making sure all clips and screws are back in their original positions. Once everything is secure, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your Acura MDX and test all headlight functions, including high beams, low beams, and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly. For an even smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.